There's a big shift happening right now in software development, and if you're not paying attention, it's easy to miss. Developers are no longer just coders, they're becoming builders, and not in the startup hustle kind of way. I mean, literally rethinking how software gets made. Thanks to AI and no-code tools, the entire process of writing, shipping, and scaling apps is changing. Developers are starting to act more like directors than line-by-line coders. You describe the outcome, and the tools do most of the heavy lifting. If that sounds wild, just wait. It's already happening. And real quick, if you're into this kind of forward-looking tech breakdown, make sure you hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon. Here at Coderversity, we keep you ahead of the curve with weekly deep dives into the future of software, AI, and the tools changing the game. Now, let's talk about this new era of development, or as some are calling it, vibe coding. So what is vibe coding? It's the idea that developers don't always need to write detailed logic anymore. Instead, you describe what you want, like build me a dashboard that pulls analytics from Stripe and shows revenue trends. And your AI assistant spins up the layout, the queries, even the front end. It's coding by intention. You bring the vision, and the AI brings the code. GitHub Copilot writes nearly half of its users' code already. Replit's Ghostwriter, ChatGPT, Code Whisperer. These tools let you build features by talking to your IDE like it's your teammate. And that's not all. Platforms like Webflow, Bubble, and Retool let you build production apps visually, sometimes without touching a single line of code. So what does that mean for the role of developers? It means we're entering the builder phase. You're not just typing characters into a screen. You're solving problems, assembling components, and launching real products, often faster than ever before. The modern dev stack is shifting from frameworks and libraries to models and plugins. You're connecting APIs, you're curating prompts, you're designing user flows that feel good, not just work right. And the best part? You can move fast. What used to take weeks of engineering can now happen in hours or minutes with the right tools. But here's the trade-off. The easier it gets to build, the more crowded the space becomes. You're not competing with just other devs anymore. You're competing with marketers using no-code tools, designers with AI copilots, and solo hackers who can ship MVPs in a weekend. So what sets you apart? 3 things. First, product thinking. AI can generate features, but only humans can decide which ones matter. The devs who understand user pain points will always win. Second, tool fluency. Knowing the right tool for the job is more important than knowing every line of syntax. A great builder today knows how to stack Webflow, Supabase, GPT-4, and Stripe into a working SaaS product in a single sprint. Third, taste. It sounds vague, but it's real. The apps that blow up are the ones that feel smooth, intuitive, thoughtful. Good taste is the new 10x skill, and AI can't fake that. So where does this leave traditional developers? Honestly, it depends. There will always be demand for deep system architecture, infrastructure engineering, and low-level performance work. But for a lot of product-focused roles, the game is moving fast, and the meta has changed. You don't have to be the best coder anymore. You need to be a good builder, someone who can take an idea, validate it, prototype it, and get it into users' hands. And that's good news for a lot of people, especially folks just getting started. If you're new to tech, don't wait until you've mastered every language before building something. Use AI to help you. Use no code to move faster. You'll learn more by doing than by watching tutorials all day. Launch messy, iterate, ship fast. That's the new dev workflow. And if you're already in the game, now's the time to adapt. If you've been deep in code for years, zoom out. Learn about product design. Learn how to use these new tools to scale your impact. Because developers aren't just engineers anymore. They're product creators, experience architects, platform integrators, builders. That's the future. And here at Coderversity, we're going to keep showing you how to thrive in it. So, if this episode got you thinking, drop a comment and let us know what tools or workflows you're experimenting with right now. And don't forget to like the video. It really helps us grow. And subscribe if you haven't already. Big changes are coming. Let's build something great.